is Dilshan, and today I am going to be unboxing and setting up the iPhone 11. Let's begin the unboxing. So there's a peel here that we have to remove first. And this is the box. So as you can see, iPhone written here, 64 GB. And let's just open the box and see what's inside. The iPhone 11. So this is the iPhone 11. So let's see what else is there apart from the iPhone. It says here designed by Apple in California. You've got some user guide, setup guide, and some papers and some Apple stickers. And the other things here are some earpods, a USB-A to Lightning cable, and the power brick. And looking at the phone here itself is like, wow, it has the camera, all glass. So if we remove the peel, this is the iPhone. So let's see if we can set this up. So let's see how to set it up. So it gave a welcome page and I swiped up, and this is how the interface looks. And our language is English, so I'm just going to click English and select your country or region. India is our country or region, place, India. So they're saying quick start, bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and start up. So I kept my old iPhone near the new iPhone, and and I should turn on Bluetooth to have this message. It's saying set up new iPhone. So then you should click continue. So now it's going to connect, and I need to hold the iPhone camera and scan the code. So then we need to enter the passcode of your other iPhone. So let me just enter the password. Now it's setting up the iPhone automatically. So here it will it's saying it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So what happens here, the data from this will come to this phone and it will automatically sync. So you don't even have to enter your passcode or the passcode of your Apple ID or the username. So we'll see you in a short while. So now it's telling to transfer your data. So you can directly transfer your data during the setup or finish downloading it later. So now there are two options. One option is to transfer from the iPhone you have connected from, or to download from the iCloud. Since we have not downloaded this to the iCloud, we'll transfer from the iPhone. They're telling terms and conditions about iOS terms and conditions and warranty. Let's agree. And they're telling people can contact you on all devices with iMessage and FaceTime using your phone number or email address. The number of this iPhone will be sent to Apple to set up an iMessage or FaceTime. Let's hit continue. Location services allows maps and other apps and services like Find My to gather and use data indicating your approximate location. Enable. They're telling about Siri. Siri helps you get things done by just asking. Siri can even make Suggestions before you ask in apps and keyboards. To use Siri, press and hold the side button or say "Hey Siri" anytime. So this is the voice assistant of Apple. Let's hit continue. Hey Siri.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today?
It's currently cloudy and 32 degrees.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music.
So, and now we have connected this. We have connected the Siri, and they're telling improve Siri and dictation. So not now. We'll click not now and help Apple improve its products and services by allowing analytics of usage data from your iPhone. You can change this decision later in settings. True tone display. The iPhone automatically adapts to ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear inconsistent in 3 environments. You can change this later in display and brightness settings. Continue. So this will get it. So there's a software update. So we have to download and install iOS 14.1.